Hi guys, in this video we talk about the weakest point of the Mercedes body, where it starts to rust in the first place. Friend, the Mercedes starts to rust along the edge of the wing, then the edge of the doors, as well as water accumulate under the seal and rust forms. The same back door. Rare fenders, but I have them in excellent condition. Further doors on the left side, the same problem as on the right side. On the edge of the door, there is a decorative overlay, which eventually ceases to hold. Water accumulates after washing and began to rust. As well as the front wing, also the enter bottom of the car roof, and the trunk where the spare wheel is. Friends, in the summer I will need to process and clean all the place of corrosion and paint the car to be in perfect condition. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.